Are you frustrated with your weight loss journey? You're doing everything right and still not seeing results? You've cut the calories, you work out at the gym, you drink the right amount of water, you walk around starving, tired, and cranky, and the scale hardly budges? I will share with you one thing that may be sabotaging your weight loss journey and how to fix it. Cue intro. The problem with traditional diets is that they focus only on calories. And they have you eating this low calorie meal, leaving you hungry and tired due to lack of fuel. Starving yourself is not something you can do for very long, and it can mess up your metabolism the moment you go off with it. To succeed, follow this one simple tip. Try to eliminate high carb foods from your diet. Just by having a muffin for breakfast, a roll for lunch, and French fries for dinner can keep your insulin levels high, keeping you in fat storing mode all day long. And adding any carb-heavy snacks in between meals can make it even worse. So look at the nutrition fact label to see how many carbs are listed per serving. The higher the grams of carbohydrates, the more it will raise your blood sugar. And also, the more processed it is from its original state can also have the same effect. Try to make them the whole food version versus processed. That way you get the fiber that can also help blunt the blood sugar response. Everyone's body is different, so you need to see what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to have a healthy body with the benefit at being at the weight you want to be. For more information, visit stressfreediet.com. And as always, thanks for watching.